Mario, what do you have? What do you have? Choo-choo? Joseph, look at Mommy. Hi. Stay over there so I can see you. Show me your choo-choos. Can you show me your choo-choos? Where are your choo-choos? What do the trains say? Choo-choo.
No. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
Like that.
Uh-oh. Can you pick up your trains? Can you pick up your trains? Can you pick up your trains on the floor? Can you pick up your trains? Pick up your choo-choos. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say choo-choo? Can you say choo-choo?
No.
No? You can't do it. Choo-choo. Uh-oh.